Welcome to Direct Colors in-booth demonstration at the 2019 Oklahoma City Home and Garden Show. Featuring Michael Winrow, owner-operator of Blessed Concrete of Oklahoma. First, Michael is using 4 liquid-colored antique concrete stains: wheat, driftwood, maple, and auburn. He will be applying to a piece of backer board already coated with an integrally colored overlay, taped, and then topped with a wood-textured, smooth white overlay. He begins with auburn using a chip brush to apply the liquid antique. Now for larger applications, you can use a fence and deck sprayer or 3/8 inch snapped roller, keeping in mind to keep the antique shaken so as to not allow the color to fall out of suspension. Another important tip when doing a faux wood design is to apply your stain with the grain just as with staining wood. With this particular application, Michael has gotten the colors where he wants them, and to achieve a more natural weathered look, he uses a floor trim applicator to lift up some of the color and mix what is there together. As with acid stain, the sooner you do this step, the more color you will pick up. As the mineral spirit evaporates, the pigment will stick to the surface more and more, allowing you to control just how much of a weathered look you'd like. Now here, Michael has chosen our Crystal Coat High Gloss Water-Based Sealer and is applying it using a fresh applicator pad. You can also roll the product using a 3/8 snapped roller as well. The nice thing about our water-based sealer line is that it allows a low VOC product with no odor, so perfect for interior jobs. We also have solvent-based sealers as well for those equipped for an off-gas environment. We hope you found our faux wood grain floor video helpful and inspiring. If you're planning on doing an indoor or outdoor project, give the technicians and design consultants at Direct Color a call or send us an email. We'd be more than happy to advise you on color or design. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing from you.